Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Sky blue, red, green, orange, pink, black, E. Say with me, E. Say with me, E. B. Say with me, B. Say with me, B. C. Say with me, C. Say with me, C. D. Say with me, D. Say with me, D. E. Say with me, E. Say with me, E. If. Say with me, if. G. Say with me, G. Say with me, G. H. Say with me, H. Say with me, H. I. Say with me, I. J. Say with me, J. Say with me, J. K. Say with me, K. Say with me, K. Say with me, K. L. Say with me, L. M. Say with me, M. Say with me, M. N. Say with me, N. Say with me, N. O. Say with me, O. Say with me, O. P. Say with me, B. Q. Say with me. Q. Say with me. Q. R. Say with me. R. Say with me. R. Is. Say with me. Is. Say with me. Is. D. Say with me. D. Say with me. D. EU. Say with me. EU. Say with me. EU. V. Say with me. V. Say with me. V. W. Say with me. W. Say with me. W. X. Say with me. X. Say with me. X. Y. Say with me. Y. Say with me. Y. Z. Say with me. Z. Stay with me. Z. Subscribe for more videos.